SUPERMEXICANMIA and welcome back to my channel! Woo! It's hashtag spooky season, so you know, we all have that time when it's like getting near close to Halloween and like, so at the beginning of the year, you know, you're all like, oh, I want to be this for Halloween, or like, I can't wait for this year's Halloween, you know, but then when the time comes, you're kind of like, I don't even know what the fuck to be. So I have some last minute hashtag almost like DIY Halloween costumes, and we have like, how far away are we until Halloween? 4 days. 4 days until Halloween. So let's just get started. Woo! So a lot of things I got at, so there's this store called the Spirit Halloween store. We went there with my sister, and I also went there with my brother recently, and they have a lot of cool stuff. So like, it's like kind of on like a little expensive side, so if you could afford it, you know, good for you. There's also some stuff that are like really affordable, and I'm going to show you that soon. Woo! Other stuff are like the 99 store, and right now it's called 99 Halloween or something like that, and it's so funny shit I find hilarious, and also some little things at the dollar store. So let's just get started. Alright guys, so I also forgot to mention that I also went to Target as well to get some things, because like most of these things I got for my sister's, you know, photo booth for her Sweet 16 the day after Halloween. But I was like, might as well show you guys. So this mask, it's a Katrina mask, I think that's what it's called. You know, like from like, there's sugar skulls, you know, from Day of the Dead. And I thought this would look really good paired up with this, with this headband from Target. So this was $5, like $4.99, and then this was, you know, $1.99 store. And like, just look, something like this would be cool, right? Oh, also, look at my shirt. Woo! It has little ghosts on it. And like this, look, doesn't that look kind of cute? Oh, and I'm gonna put my hair down a little so you can kind of see. So guys, this is what I was talking about. Like, look how cute this is. It's like a really cute like dress, and I'm gonna show you right now. I'll insert it here, something like that. You know, this would be so cute, and I'm like really excited. Excuse me. For Halloween, so that would be like really cool. This is a number one idea, you know, sugar skull, really easy, simple. If you guys don't really want to do like a makeup look, you guys don't want to like, you know, like just like, you know when you get tired and you know, trick or treating and stuff, you know. And this is just one idea I got you guys. Woo! Next idea. All right, guys. So the second mask I got is also from the 99-cent store, and it is a gas mask, and it's really cool. I was like, look how it looks. Like the roof. I'll be like this. You know, that's like that. So guys, so pair with this with like something like this, you know, like a lab coat. That'd be really interesting and cool, you know, or just wear all black, you know, and they'll be like really nice. You know, you're set for Halloween. It's really easy, simple. This costs 99 cents, you know. And then I feel like a lot of people have like, you know, still staple like pure black outfit, you know, and their closet. So that'll be cool, you know. It's just another idea for you guys. Next one. All right, guys. So for this other one, I got this really cute jester mask, and it's like really pretty, you know. Like if you actually want to be like an old school Harley Quinn, you know, you could also do that too. You could also pair this with the lab coat as well, you know, to give that like, oh, I'm Harley Quinn vibe, and to be even more Harley Quinn. I feel like this would look good, and like everyone has, you know, red lipstick, so it'd be really easy. You know, hi, I'm Harley. You know, this look really nice. You know, with really cute. If you have like fishnet leggings, I think they're called, with like shorts, or like, you know, just something really cool, and like have your back, you know, like I'm Harley Quinn, you know, something like that, or like you just be like really cute gesture with like just pure black also, or like black and white. This look really nice. It's 99-cent store vibes. Alright guys, so I also went to Spirit Halloween and got this wig cap, I think it's called, and then I got this really cool clown wig, and I think this will be really cool. Like I have this whoopee cushion costume too. It looks like this, you know, so all complete. I think it'd look really cool. If you guys just want to be like something silly, you know, you just kind of don't even know what to do, so you just throw like everything, you know, together. I think this would look really cool. You know, it's just something funny and silly and funny, you know, and just like, a clown. And you could have like a nose or just draw like a red. Like I'm a clown, you know, and then like trick or treat. Next. Alright guys, so for the next costume idea, I got these hands at the Spirit Halloween store also, and I think I got them for like 10 bucks, and it's pretty good. I also got this here at Disneyland, but like you can make some, you know, your own or DIY. Alright, so you know, you can just put this on, like I'm gonna be a Minnie, and then just put this on, you know, you could put on like a really cute shirt or something, or like a Disney themed shirt, and you're cute, you're like, you know, and look, you get something like this, you know, with like some white shorts or something, like a red shirt, anything, something like that, you know, so you could be like a Minnie, you know, cute, or Mickey, you know, anything. So yeah, okay, next. Alright guys, so this is something like really simple and easy. You could just get, we got these masks also at the 99-cent store, you know, you could just pair this up with like, I just broke it. Stupid. Oh no, I can tie it again. No worries. But yeah, you know, for this you could just wear something all pure brown or something, you know, and just DIY a tail if you want, you know. It'll be like really simple, easy. And this one's also a cat, you know. This one's like a kitten, you know, like so cute, you know, just something simple, pure gray or something, you know. It's just really like simple, easy DIY. You know, 99-cent store, easy. You have your Halloween costume and you're done. That's it. Alright guys, so for this next one I got this really cool Fortnite mask, and for this guy, you know, if you don't have the pure outfit, look how cool I look. Look, I don't know, look at the wham, whoa, okay. I suggest something like, if you don't have like, you know, his outfit, you can do like a blazer, you know, all black, something like really professional, like a tie, you know, with this, something really cool, like a tux. That'd be really cool, really nice. Alright, next. Oh, also this costs like, I think $15 or $20. Wasn't that bad. It's a pretty good, well-made mask, I think. Next. Alright guys, so for this next one, really cool. Woo! I'm a light. So for this guy, really cool. Huh? Sparta? He also opens too, which is I think really cute, really cool. I think I got this one for, how much was it? I think $10 to $15. It was 10. Maybe it was like, it's pretty like really good. Cute, really nice. For this one you could also do something similar, like all gray or something, or like, you know, mix it up. If you have like anything that looks kind of like silver or like change or something, you know, you can do that. Simple, you know, it's like easy, you know, you don't have to worry or stress out about anything, and you can see like really well, you know. It doesn't like, I can see everything, you know, really good. I'd recommend this if you want to be anything like medieval and you're not really sure, you know, you don't want to like spend too much. Something I recommend this. Next! Alright guys, for this next one I gotta kind of crouch down because, so I went to Target and got this bad boy. Really cool, black unicorn. There was like another one, you know, that was white, but we opted for this one. Isn't that cool? This could also go with the night costume, you know, like a pair. Okay, that's cute. Right? And that's, you know, I see that. Yeah, this will be pure black outfit, you know, because, you know, black unicorn, really cool. You can even like, what's it called? What can you do? You could add like some shiny to your face, you know, because, you know, add unicorn like glitter or something. It'll be really cute. Like that. As like a little henchman or something, I don't know. We got these also at 99-cent store, 99 cents. Really cool, you know, cute little unicorns. Yeah, henchman, like Naruto, you know. He summons a toad, you know, like you're my henchman. Anyway, so another idea. And last but not least, my favorite of all time. Alright guys, so for this next one, I had to put on my glasses because my mask doesn't really fit me without glasses. And it's good so that I can see while I'm trick-or-treating for once. Because I don't have contacts this year. I'm not going to get them anymore. That was horrible. So, I got Kakashi Anbu Black House mask. You already know. Look how cool that looks. Look. Okay. It's funny, lit ass TikTok. So for this outfit, I also got a cape because you already know Black what are they called? Black Anbu cup. You need your cape. But I got both of these at Spirit Halloween. My brother bought me this one because I'm broke right now after buying all the other stuff. So this is a really cute cape, you know, pretty simple, easy. I think this was like 20 bucks. This mask was I think also 20. But look how cute she is. This is really cool if you want to do like a Naruto type of thing, cosplay, you know what I'm saying? This is my favorite cosplay, and I think this is I'm gonna be for Halloween. I'm gonna be showing you how you know you could style this. I think I'm gonna wear pure black. It'd be cool if I had his like vest and all that, you know, and like weapons, but I don't. I ordered them one time. But look at that. Do I look like a TikToker? I really hope you guys liked all these Halloween ideas. I'm saying Christmas. It's Christmas not yet. I'm so excited for Halloween, and yeah, so stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys like, you know? Oh yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I'm going to make like a little mini. I'm going to shove all this Halloween videos together for these last 3 days before Halloween or 4 days. Tomorrow's video will be about, you know, DIY pet Halloween costumes. This is going to be really fun. Woo! Let's just say someone is going to be cosplaying with me, along with me. Hashtag Naruto. Woo! Alright guys, bye! Look at that. Oh, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, you know, all that stuff. And I'll be putting my social media links in the description below. Make sure to subscribe. Bye! Hey, 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 hey. Hey, look at it. What are you? Kakashi Amubaka. Alright, go Kakashi Amubaka. Okay. See, look, there are little ghosts on my shirt. Oh, that's so cute. Woo! Okay, bye.